birthday, Kyle! We love you! You greet na.
Happy birthday, Kyle.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kyle!
Love you.
I love you!
Papa.
Happy birthday, Kyle. I love
Message
you.
ni mo. Message ni mo. Dali message mo. Hila.
Happy birthday, Kyle! We love you!
Love you, Kyle. Happy birthday, Kyle. Ikaw, madam. Pass the message mo. Happy birthday, Kyle, baby boy. Ako may appeal ka mo. Dali. Yaw lang. Ako labutan lang. Happy birthday, Kyle. Happy second birthday. Kyle? Kyle. Kyle? Okay, makita kong Happy birthday, Dong, Kyle. Be a good boy. Thank you. Thank you sa pag-invite, day. Happy birthday, Ondo Kayel. We love you. Gabi, dali na. Hello, my palanggang apo Kyle Henry. Happy birthday. And have many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your life. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kyle! Hello, happy birthday, Kyle! God bless!
Happy birthday, Kayel! Happy birthday, Kayel!
Valentine!
Turun nga!
Valentine!
Happy birthday, Kyle. Birthday, Kyle. Naot nga, magtubo ka, mahimsog, og anak, kanunay ang grasya sa Ginoo. Happy birthday, Kyle.
Happy birthday, Kyle! Nga ng good health, pag binuot pa na, ay nasi ginahig ulo.
Wow! Murag dakong tao!
Oo.
Mana ko ganina na. Mana siya ganina. Ikaw. Happy second birthday, Kyle! Happy birthday kay Kai! God bless, dayan. Thank you, Nid, sa may mong mama at papa. Happy birthday, Kyle! Happy birthday, baby Kyle! Happy birthday, baby Kyle. I pray for you na mudako ka nga magpaduol sa Ginoo o love sa imong parents.
Happy birthday, Kyle!
Samay!
We love you!
happy birthday nga unta i-pray tagan pa kag kuan dungag nga atas pa nga kuan kanang tagan kag kusog sa Ginoo. I pray for you nga i-bless pa kag ayos ni Lord nga happy ka og malipayon nga pagabata og hadlokon sa Ginoo. Happy birthday Kyle. I love you so much.
Okay, Kyle. Okay, and how old is Kyle today? And where is Kyle? Point, where is Kyle? Okay, say hi to Kyle. Say hi, Kyle. Okay. And Kyle, come here at the stage. Okay, ayan niya sa stage, Kyle. Together with your mom. Okay, we start with Tony. Wait, I start with the mga bata. I'll be the one. Don't worry for me. So we go. Alis ako sa rin sa my birthday. Okay, come here, Kyle. Alis sa stage. Okay, go to the stage with me. Come. Okay, mommy. Okay, and before we go to the stage, 4, 3, 2, 1, say! Happy birthday, Kyle. Happy birthday, Kyle. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kyle. Okay, thank you, Kyle. Happy birthday, okay, so happy birthday, Kyle. And here, happy birthday, Kyle. What energy. O, dito ka side. Happy birthday, Kyle. Ano din na? Dili tayo. Happy birthday, Kai! Happy birthday, Kai! On the back. Happy birthday, Kai! Happy birthday, Kai! Okay, what will you say to your visitors, to your classmates, to your office mates? Thank you. Okay, a round of applause for Kai, please. Okay, kids, nangaon na mo pa. Man na mo gaon, no? Okay, so man na mo gaon. So this time, let it not delay. Are you ready to play games now? Yes or no? Okay, ready. Okay, so again, from the circle. Okay, ayun si Toto. Ito si Mato. Okay, and it's our first game. Pamina, pamati. Hello, hello, hi! Okay, so our first game is what we call the longest record, the longest happy birthday greetings. Kaya ba mo doon na dili? Okay, paminaw ha. All you have to do is just say, Happy birthday ka! Okay, louder and higher, okay? So, dali, alin girl, ano sa stage? Oh, nasa stage siya. Okay, what is your name? Elaine, no? Okay, Elaine, say happy birthday, Kyle. Go!
Happy birthday,
Okay, you can sabi si Kyle. Nakawin na ako kasi ako bago. Tapos magtungan, ikaw dahil. Kyle, sorry. Okay, Kyle, what is your name?
Ninya.
Ninya. Okay, Ninya, and how old are you, Ninya? 6 years old, and your grade?
Grade 1.
Okay, very good. Okay, Ninya, say happy birthday, Kyle. Go!
Happy birthday, ka!
Okay, you can shut the can. Next, we do it. Okay. Di ba? Hello, what's your name? Zia. Okay, Zia. Ayaw ko, Zia. Ayaw na mahuli mo kuko, ha? Okay, Zia. How old are you, Zia? 8. And your grade? Okay, she's grade 8. Okay, Zia. Say happy birthday, Kai. Louder and higher, okay? Ready? Say happy birthday, Zia. Go!
Happy birthday, ka!
Okay, 11 next, pretty girl. Okay, what is your name? Janet. Janet, how old are you today? 6. Okay, Janet, say happy birthday, guys. Go!
Happy birthday, ka!
Okay, you can take that. Next, it's dog. I need to do the dog. Okay, come here. Hello, what's your name? Huh? Marluin? Marluin? Okay, Marluin, sige, sila sa iyo ko, ha? Okay, Marluin, how old are you? Okay, let's look. 5. Okay, 5, guys are ready. Marluin, happy birthday, Kyle. Go! Bilang ka.
Happy birthday, ka!
Okay, you can say it, yeah. Okay. What's your name? Ella. Ella. Okay, how old are you, Ella? You want my hair? So you're from red ba? Okay, Ella. So happy birthday, Kyle. Go!
Happy birthday, ka!
Oh, next, ay kami pinili ko sa All-Star rin. Okay, I want all of you to join the games, ha? Ang bili mo join na lang, mama, di mo pagkanoon. Ha? Pag-saling di ba na mo kaon, di mo na. Wala yung ang games kasi yung mga pili, di mo tagaan natin, ha? Okay. Diba ko na gagawin ka? Yun na pala sa prizes. Kailangan ng mga pili mo. Ang ato mga prizes is a major prizes, okay? Nothing material prizes. One night, staying in here. Then we have also a gift certificate from La Nueva. And also we have a house and lot, a brand new cell phone, and a 1-year contract from DSWD, okay? One of the major prize. Okay, what is your name? Blake? Okay, belum kalimus semua dulu. Okay. How old are you?
5.
Okay, this is your mother. And your Okay. Say happy birthday, guys. Go.
Happy birthday, Kaya!
Okay, you got 16 camera. Very good. What is your name? Okay. How old are you, Rita? 3 years old. Okay, so happy birthday, Kaya. Again. Happy birthday, Kyle! Birthday, Kyle! Yeah, kapatid na kayo. Okay, yung dapat ka. Alam mo, ang pinagpapasik ka na ako. Ang pinagpapasik. Okay. Ano ang your name? Okay. How old are you? 6 years old? Okay. Say happy birthday, Kyle! Go!
Happy birthday, Kaya!
Okay, you got 6 cams. Next, wala pa kami bin. Wala pa sa sino. Okay, what is your name? Era. Okay, Era. Say happy birthday, Kyle. Go! Birthday, Kyle. Ikaw ang kamera? Sakit na. Birthday, Kyle. Oh, nasa nito. Baka saan. Happy birthday, Kyle. Okay, so thank you so much, Ira. Okay, next, I need to go. Kaya ko bring balik siya. Your name? Ano? Kumplito man. Kasi alam. Kasi mama. Mama, di mo papa? Oh. Kasi yung mama di. Kasi mama. Wala yung mama. Kanina yung mama ko. Mama. Okay. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, guys! Go!
Happy birthday,
Okay, you got 8 yan. Next. Dali. Ilagay mo kita, James. Okay, what is your name?
James.
James. Okay, James. Say happy birthday ka. Go!
Happy birthday, Kaya!
Okay, you got that. Next. Dali lang. Dali ka. Go po, yung bata. Balik mo yung pure Pinoy. What is your name? I'm blood? Okay, what is your nationality? Kung sabi ka, half blood ka? Blood? Or half go? Hindi ka ganyan, over ko po. Okay, asa mo mama? Yung papa? Abroad. Bulbulan siya ka, harap mo, Tino. Di mo balbal mo siya, tumpan mati. Okay, si happy birthday ka. Go! Happy birthday ka! Okay, birthday ka. Next, dito. Aligay, okay. Di mo ba? Pampada din. Gawin ito ba? Rap siya? Okay, rap. Okay, rap. Happy birthday ka.
Happy birthday ka!
Okay, 21 count on next time. Okay. What is your name? Princess Lara. Kika ka, no? Kung hindi ka magaling. Dapat magbukan ka, magbibig. Okay, Princess, say happy birthday. Go!
Happy birthday ka!
Oh, 15 counts. Okay, next. Kayo mga lalaki niya. Oh, gusto mo yung pili, sabi nyo mga. Dali ka daw ang ba sa mga pil. Okay, so obviously, we have a winner, got 3 winners. Asa ito naman for 15, 16, 21. Okay, sa kadiri. Okay, nakalo 21, 16. Asa to? Dala. So get your prize to the clown. Dapat clown, napas mo ang clown naman, no? Kasi siya nila kayo. Get your prize, Okay, what will you say? What will you say? What will you say?
Thank you.
Okay, sige, siya. Sige, siya. Wala kayo sa madam. Ay, mga na? Opat. Okay, another game. Okay, again, at the center. Here, what can bring me here? I want plus of 5. Piece of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another winner. On next order, who can bring me here? I want your beautiful Lola. Lola, dali. Lola, dali. Relax mo lang. Relax mo lang. Relax si Lola. Pasayawan na lang si Lola. Pasayawan. Ready, go. Go. Let's go. Delegate for President. Say thank you. Okay. Next order, who can bring me here? Who can bring me here? Your beautiful mama. Okay, last order. Who can bring me here a cell phone? Cell phone, go! Cell phone! Cell phone, greenpad. Greenpad is your phone. Greenpad is your phone. Okay, 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 but this time, since manamo ba ng mga bata din sa madam ko. Okay, so let's all stand for
Bukan atau berikut Tersiksa rindu Kita kenal segala zaman Sana Kusa Espiritu Santo Salamat Lord sa panganggasan ay nagyatag na mo O salamat karon na nagkapundok ng tanan Pinagi sa birthday ni Kyle O inapunta na Kapitangan may pagpalayon sa ato sa kantora. Lord, pinita na mo pagpalayon ng aking Yesu Cristo na among ginin. Amen. Pangalan sa Mahal, sa Anak, sa Espiritu Santo.
Okay, let's sing birthday. Happy birthday song. Ready? Up and up, up. Happy birthday to you. Everybody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, one more time. Thank you, Lord. Birthday guys. Okay, so now. Circle, o siya asang circle ano nga? Pag-informing circle kids, ipadapin ng mga bago, umutaan na. Okay, so this game is what we call the boat is sinking. Okay, do you know how to play the boat is sinking? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes! Okay, number one. One. Okay, back to the boat is sinking, go for yourself and 2-0. All you have to do is just say, happy birthday! Okay? The boat is sinking, go for yourself and 2-0. Again, shout. The boat is sinking, go for yourself and 2-0. Okay, the boat is sinking, go for yourself and 2-1. Yeah! The boat is sinking, go for yourself and 2-5. 5. Ito, pinakaliwan ko rin ito. Oh, magtuok ikaw lang. Ay, pero ang naliwan ko. Ano na ba? Kilala. Okay, pinalima ng mga. Nagkakos sa mulbuan niya. Okay, so this time, no more no more outs, ha? Okay, you can try out naman siya, okay? So nobody's out. Okay, wala pa out. So this time, no more trials in the proper game. Okay, ready? The board is sinking droppers out into 0.
Happy birthday!
The board is sinking droppers out into 0.
Happy
The
birthday!
board is sinking droppers out into 1. Wow! The board is sinking droppers out into 2. Okay, so you're out. Okay, sit down now. The board is sinking droppers out into 1. The board is sinking droppers out into 1. The board is sinking droppers out into 0.
Happy birthday!
And to 4. 4. Wow! Ano, gibig ako nito. Opo ka. Naon tayo. Okay, go na asa na. Diba na? Okay, sakto. 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay. Okay na sa iba? Kasi miyawa. Huwag ka na siya ma-out mo. Okay, game. 15 na lang, 15. The ball is sinking corpus out into 0.
Happy birthday!
Oh, no. The ball is sinking corpus out into 10. Oh, sige, paglahi lang mo diha. Ang lima ha. Paglahi lang mo diha. Okay ha. Pwedeng ko sa muli ha. Di, po na hindi. Ang kaluho ito mo ay kalibutan mo. Nabalibayo ka na. Okay, 5 of you, you're out. Okay, sit down. Lingkod na mo bibitaw. Oh, ano mo lima? Oh, yung atulusan mo pinapon. Okay. The bonus will give up itself into 1. The bonus will give up itself into 0.
Happy birthday!
The bonus will give up itself into 0.
Happy
The
birthday!
bonus will give up itself into 6. La la. Oh, sorry. What do you so? Dahil girl, wala ko mga mumulan no. Ako, yung lima ha. Okay. The ball is thinking of itself into 1. The ball is thinking of itself into 3. Oh, and to 6. Oh, good job. And to 1. And to 0.
Happy birthday!
And to 1. And to 0.
Happy birthday!
And to 4. Wala. Ano pa, Thursday? Okay. Dapat hindi ko meron sa 1. And to 0.
Happy birthday!
And to 1. And to 0.
Happy birthday!
Dapat hindi ko meron sa 3. Okay, akan tigo awak. Mana? Oh, ikaw ay ka din ha. Ay ka din dahil. Ay ka sa center. Ato ba dito? Ikaw, ato ka dito ka sa Luzon ka. Ay, ground. Asisi sa din. Ato ka dito. Ikaw, ato ka dito sa ikaw. Palayo mo doon ha. Ato ba dito? Peter? Oh, ato ba sa dito? Biyo nga ang mata. Biyo. Close your eyes. Ato ba dito? Close your eyes. Pag pamina mo ito ha, ang ito kalaki. Ang yung ilugan, ang nasa ito nga ha, kaning babae ha. Kasi magkaonan ninyo, yung mga winner. Duha ang winner kasi. Ang yung babae, yung kamuduhan. Alam niyo kasi magkaonan, okay? Ha? Ready? Biyo nga ang mata. Wala yung usapa. Wala mo. Ay, usawa. Ready? The ball is taking over itself. And to 2. O, mata na. Ayaw mo ito. Gusto mo naman yung buta-buta? Mata mo. Ayaw mo mo. Uy, mata na. Pangitaan nyo. Pangitaan ka siya. Kasi baka na mga pangitaan niya. Pangitaan. Wala. Dali pangitaan. Pangitaan niya. Kaskawan. Kaskawan. Pangitaan. Okay, so we have one winner. What is your prize, ma'am? What is prizes? Dili kanin one? Kani siya? Tumbler? Okay, you get your tumbler. What will you say?
Thank you.
And?
Thank you.
Okay, so this time, we'll play the adults na sad. Mga... Ikaw, dapat yung nagtiguang. Okay, so this time, we have a game for you, ha? Naka-game pala ninyo. Kani siya game sa iyo sa tayo. So, paminaw sa mechanics sa game. This game is what we call the name game. Okay, name game, ha? And this is the mechanics of the game. I have a last category. And then you have to answer it only 3 seconds, okay? And if you cannot answer 3 seconds, you're out of the game. And then, ang na-answer sa usa, nag-answer ba ni sa usa, out na lang siya sa game. For example, game of shampoo, pinagpasay ko! Wala pa rin siya, shampoo pa rin to. Ano ha? Pinagpasay ha? Kailangan na lang siya. Wala rin mo, wala mo, sila rin sa category, kailangan na lang siya. Okay? Did you get it? Okay, ready? Ang prize ano niya is tumataginding. Mami, ginawa sa preview, ha? Okay, ready? Our first category is namely, paminaw sa category pero makaibaw. Namely all the colors without letter E. All the colors without letter E. Eagle. Okay, name all the colors without letter E. Oy, hello. Okay, kung asa ka dito ang microphone, oy mo tubag. Ready? Name me all the colors Okay. Yellow na atay. Daga man yung ano, sa Manila Yusha. Usa pa. Okay. So next category. Oy, what's that like? Oy, what's that sa kanila eh? Masayaw mo ang ma-outfit. Masayaw mo ang ma-outfit. Ano na dinuwi? Masayaw mo ang ma-outfit. Ano na, mga na siya balik siya sa ma-out. Play. Okay na. Mali siya balik siya sa ma-out. Okay, ready? Pagpagin sa inyo. Go. Ama-out man. Balik. Pwede na kayo. Okay, next category. Okay, next category is daily. Okay. Okay, namely all the cities. Namely all the cities here in Cebu from north to south. We have 9 cities, from north to south, okay? Siyang kabuo na proclaim na city, okay? From north to south. Ready? We have 9 cities. Ready? Ready and go! Correct. Medellin is wrong. Medellin, ayaw na. Cebu City, Talisay, Mandaue, Lapu-Lapu, Tarakan, Toledo, and Naga. Okay, what is that? Okay. Next category is Paminaw, Pamati. Next category is namely all the name of the country na last word is land. Country name, the last word is land. Ready? Ready and go! Okay, next! Next category is namely all the national heroes. Namely all the national heroes. High school. Ready and go! Oh, tayo natin! Okay, buwan ka po din! Go! Okay. Next category is naming all the presidents and the Philippines, the past, the president, and the present, okay? Mga naman, mga presidente, hantod karon. Ready? Gusto nila, hindi naman tasapan. Ready and go! Lopat na lang. Tanaw ka rin. Okay, kamunong na kupat, no? Okay, namely, paminaw. Namely the brand of cell phone. Okay, mga brand of cell phone. Ready and go!
iPhone.
Ayaw na tayo. Ayaw na natin dito mag-iwan. Dali na lang. Madali lang kasi ka mga daw sa Bible mo din. Basta siya na naging bakan na. Pagkakulong ka na po, makulong ka mo. Makulong ka na kalit, bintanan. At ang bintanan. Okay, ready? Next category is... Okay, next category is... Name all the countries in part of Asia. Country name of part of Asia. Ready and go!
Isa.
Dubai, yun ako sa Dubai. Asia, Dubai. Okay, what's the part mo na ako? Okay, now go. Okay, since ka mo naman ang duha, ato ang duha ng duha niya, paginaw. Ang ina mo duha, alam, sorry. Okay, karon, ang ating game, pangatli ang mga kanang parts of your body, ha? Part of the body na kaduha balik mo. Ha? Part of the body, Bisaya or Tagalog, palitan. Buko, ano ha? Part of the body, Bisaya and Tagalog. Ready? Bahag, basa niyo ha? Part of the body, Bisaya or Tagalog, kaduha balik mo. Ready ha? Kabahan mo anak, sulit kayo. Ready? Ready? Ready and go!
Labalapa. Koko.
Balik na ba? Tukpo, saan ka mo to? Oh, may balik, tukpo. Oh, tukpo. Kanina naman, tukpo. Sakto. Oh, sakto na siya. Tukpo. Sakto na siya. Oh, lagi, di ba din? Pagkalayon na dito, ha? Oh, sayo din gusto ka dahil. Oh, go. Sayo, kita dahil. Go. Okay, so winner, okay, so we have a winner. So what is your name? Okay, so get your prize. So atin ha, like yung madata na siya. Okay, and now, all the kids and all the mommies, you can join this game. But this time, we're going to continue our game for the question and answer portion. Okay, so question and answer na ta. Okay, first question. Who can give me the complete name of our birthday boy? Complete name together with his family name, okay? A complete name ha? Sakto din? Balik ka. Okay, correct. Okay, so button pressing mo doon. Okay. Next question. Next question is, what is the favorite character of Kyle? Sino yung favorite character? Cartoon character. Sino po? Sino yung favorite cartoon character? Okay, so man. Bali, ano ba yung ito nga? Ito nga rin. Favorite character or favorite movie niya? Okay, so man. Ikaw. Cartoon character. Yes. Long hapon. Next. Pasti. Big hapon. Favorite cartoon character niya. Dali, come here. Dali. Long hapon. Pumunta na si Kyle, si siya yung favorite cartoon character. Namalinaw siya. Nabigyan niya yung papang, balik-balik din niya. Isa man, Oh, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes. Kumendo? Roll your board. 5, 4. Yes. If you don't count. Roll your board. 3. Muana? Yung Muana. Okay, Muana is correct. What is the number to them? Okay, perfect. None to Muana. Okay. Next question is, next question, how can you name the complete name, the mother of Kyle? Complete name siya mama. Complete ko bigkapangan. Okay? Together with the family name and the middle initial name. Dali na. Complete name ni ate, ni mama ni Kyle.
Julian Argo Pinirin.
Today? Okay, so get your prize. What is your prize tag? Next! Kaya ganti ha? Okay, next! Next question is... Next question. Next question is, how many nines from 1 to 100? Pila ka book 9 from 1 to 100. Only the number 9 you can count from 1 up to 100. Pila ka book ang 9 ang nasa 1 to 100? Go! Pila? Pila 10? 10 is wrong. How many nines from 1 to 100? Isa. Madod dito. Wrong. It is wrong. Wrong. Wrong, wrong. Wrong. Ha? Ha? 20? Okay. Alin ba yung 21? Okay, 20 is the correct answer. Ako pa, Silo? Anong 20 man? Okay, ako pa nila. Repeat ako ha. 20 ang correct answer. Okay, paminaw. 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 90, 10. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and the correct answer, 20 is the correct answer. Oh, di ba? Ang dahil dyan. So, paano natin yung breathing mama? Okay. So, this time, let's gather now around the cake because this time, we're going to witness Kyle blow the second candle. Let's sing first the happy birthday song to him, okay? Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so happy birthday, Kai! Happy birthday, Kai! Again, happy birthday, Kai! Happy birthday, Kai! Okay, but before Kai blows his second candle, let's hear first her mommy and his mommy to give it a wish.
What's the mommy ng wish, mommy? Okay, go, mommy.
I wish Kaya to grow yeah, thank you. And of course, we will
Pablo mo na siya.
Okay, so let's count 1, 2, 3 and say blow. 1, 2, 3, go! Blow tayo. form a line for your giveaway in advance.
Wait. Okay, ready? Look in front. Hi. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Another 1, 2, 3. Smile. Another 1, 2, 3. Smile. Last 1, 2, 3. Smile. Last na Jude. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay, so dito na sa side. So dito na dito. Birthday po na namin. Birthday po. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Hi. 1, 2, 3, smile. Hi.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Okay, so next table. Yeah. Ate, ako diya dali lang. Picture. Ako diya ka sa table. Okay, sit down. Manandala sa mga pictures with memorabilia. Okay, ako rin natin. Picture. Okay, ready? Face the camera.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Another 1, 2, 3, smile. Last 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, thank you. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Another 1, 2, 3, smile. Last 1, 2, 3, smile.
Next table, ako diya na tayo. Kamu na saja ka table. Kami diya, kinalagikot at lumangatan na ko lang. Dito ka table.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Another 1, 2, 3, and smile. Thank you.
Okay, next table, ito side. Table there. Dali ako there. Pictures of... Okay, take a pictures
Okay, ready? 1, 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, and another 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, and last table. Okay,
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Another 1, 2, 3, smile. Thank you.
Okay, so now, on the...
Thank you. Thank you.
Magagmay sa tungkol ako na ito magagmay. Birthday tayo.
Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Magagmay dali. O dili kasi mo magagmay dali. Happy birthday, Kyle.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Kyle. Ako.
Thank you.
Oy, napalik ko yung manayaw nga. Gusto ko manayaw. Kaya, kasi nga din yung bro ko. Pwede ko din na ako. Anak ka? Anak ko yun. Okay, so lalala look back. Who has not look back? Maybe you want to add your brother okay. Okay, so I think the pretty girls. Okay. Let's try.
last one. 2 and 3. Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright.